continuing from the last lesson. So now we have the ground floor. Okay. Now the next, of course, still using modeling with elements. We add the first floor. So in that case, I will add single panel upper floor. Okay. Now I could also copy this floor, but I want to show something, and that's why I want to use a new floor. Okay. So I will just add this, click on add new single panel upper floor, and then click yes. It will add another floor. So in this case, we have a rectangular panel. So I'll just select this, and then I will edit it again. It's going to be 6,000. Remember, you enter if you are editing on these properties below at the bottom of the screen. It's always good to enter for your changes to take effect. So this is 4.5, and the reason why we have to do that and make sure that you enter, so that you don't just, because again these are structural elements, we just want to make sure that you don't just mistakenly enter anything without, make any changes without you knowing. So that's why when necessary, we expect you to enter before it takes effect, or else you might just mess up with the design. Anyway, we don't want that to happen. Okay, so yeah, we have adjusted this. Next, I can also use rectangular panel to add this new panel. Okay, so you can see, and then I can also select both of them. Actually, I can select both of them and then copy floor by reference to the bottom. Okay, I can now cancel this, select this one, and then reference it to the right, then change the width to 3,000, and then I'll select this, reference it to the right, change the width to 3,000. If you can notice that once I reference, I can just change the width without selecting the panel, but the software knows what I'm doing. Then it reduces that to 3,000. Okay, and then cancel all. So we have the very first one. The next thing I will do, I will mirror. Is the reason why I actually added a new floor. So I can select these 4 panels, and then I will, first of all, I need to set the mirror offset distance. It's going to be at the middle, which is 1,500. Just go to design setting, go to graphic setting, change the mirror offset distance to 1,500. Okay, and then come back to modeling with element, and then copy to the, we have to mirror, we mirror to the right. So that's it. So you can see this kind of sets version 10 apart from version 9, because in version 9 we can't mirror, we can't multi-copy and reference. So that makes it quite very good. Okay, now we have our panel. I can go ahead and recreate the floor. Okay, we can recreate the floor beams and column. So that's it. You can see the column is recreated because we are in the upper floor, and that's why the column is created. In the ground floor, the column is not created. Okay, in the upper floor, it will be created. So that is the upper floor. So next, definitely, I might want to copy this floor. So you can see we're combining different methods. We have combined, copy panel by reference. We have drawn the rectangle direct. At the same time, we have mirrored. So now we can just copy this panel for the second floor. Okay, and this is our second floor. So you can see, you can zoom in to our second floor. I can also copy this panel again. So I can call it the third floor, but I will change this third floor to roof level, or if you want to make it to be like that, I can copy this again, and then this becomes the fourth floor, but we will change this fourth floor to the roof level. So if you want to change the depth of the roof beam, everything about the roof beam is here. You can see the depth and the breadth, okay? Most of the settings are by default, so you don't need to worry about that, but you can easily set them to whatever you want them to be. So I'll go here and then I'll go to Edit Modeling, click on Switch Floor Use, because this we want to make it to be roof level, roof beam level. Then I will switch this to roof. You can see the software automatically switches that to roof beam level. So that's it. So we have our floors. So that is the ground floor, the first floor, the second floor, the third floor, and the roof level. So that is basically how you can create the floor using Elements Direct. The next, of course, we go to design. Okay.